Hi there guys and girls, good day to each every one of you. Taytay Rizal, hold on. And as you can see, I'm carrying my empty boxes again, going there in the junk shop. There at the junk shop rather. Welcome to my day 8 of selling this one. And my house is getting clear almost. There's no longer a streets, but only sidewalks. I can move easily. And then there's another last batch of these empty boxes to sell here in the junk shop, at the junk shop. So here we are. Knock, knock, knock. Hi. Oops, sorry. Oh gosh. Just a matter of sacrifice and just to concentrate and just this kind of the will to going up as always. So shout out to each every one of you. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you give. Where's Ate Salve? Thank you. Shy. Bye for now, guys and girls. So if you have scraps, sell it, and it will turn into pesos. For how many kilos do we have? 9 kilos. Not bad. Thank you. Bye.